Yes, welcome to the Jamaica Young Police channel. To our loyal viewers, subscribers and Patreon members. At the channel, we are a group of law-abiding citizens who believe in the rule of law and respect the rights of every citizen, but not the ones who do not subscribe to such behavior. We do believe in and support preemptive strikes because they save lives. This is a logical conclusion because preemptive strikes save lives and prevent the further loss of lives. We are all about saving lives at this channel. We at the channel aid criminals with a passion and do not want them over here. We do not want your views, your subscriptions, your likes or your comments. Please go elsewhere where the red carpet is waiting for you. Over here, we want you to go to prison or the departure lounge at Madden. Yeah, so if this is the first time here at the Jamaica Young Police channel, we highly recommend subscribing to stay updated with our latest content. Hit the subscription button above, click the bell icon and select all to receive notifications whenever we at the Jamaica Young Police channel release a video. Remember that this channel is not an entertainment channel. You know, entertainment channels give you a average between 10 to 15 minutes. This is not an entertainment channel, so you have to go elsewhere if you want entertainment. Remember to give this video a thumbs up because you will find it helpful and informative. Please remember to share the video with your girlfriend, your boyfriend, mama, papa, side chick or side man, and tell them to tell a friend about the Jamaica Young Police channel. You can join the Patreon squad. By doing so, you will gain access to exclusive content that cannot be played on YouTube due to various restrictions. To unlock this untapped collection of videos, click the link in the description box below. Joining our Patreon community allows you to explore contents that complies with laws, rules and regulations while avoiding disruption to our channels. So thanks for your continued support and we look forward to providing you with exceptional content. So moving on to today's video. We have seen the culture keep deteriorating and everything is, you know, whatever the Europeans want Jamaicans to do to be accepted in their world. You know, and a man like this man, Shabba, who have done so much for the music, you know, an icon. You know, we have everything that this man, all the work that this man has put in, as Bob Marley and Bounty Killer and the Beanie Man, although Beanie Man is a pirate, everything has been eroded now. So, you know, go back to basic. These are the music that, you know, that will, you know, keep the people singing and the people, you know, women respect themselves. So I want you to listen to this, the great Shabba. Yes, my loyal viewers and subscribers, welcome to the Jamaica Young Police channel. I must be wondering where I'm going. This will show you the culture, the Jamaican culture, that everything that we as black people, you know, have practiced, it's what has been indoctrinated through socialization by the enslaver, the people who have brought our ancestors from Africa to Jamaica. So we have been indoctrinated and socialized to think how they want us to think. You understand? So this is, you know, this is an icon, Shabba, who's a Jamaican icon. So, you know, he has given us some nice music, but, you know, along his, you know, become popular in America and all over the world, Europe and all, everybody loves Shabba until Shabba commit the ultimate sin. Yes, the ultimate sins. You understand? In the eyes of the so-called, I should say, the democratic crowd that this man is preaching about. But most Jamaicans, you know, most Jamaicans are conservative based on the indoctrination
of the British was passed on their culture to us. So now they want to rewire the brains of black people. You understand? So I wanted to listen what contributed to the demise of Shabba Ranks' career. That's what they thought, you know. They thought they were doing then, but they didn't know that they can cancel him in their sphere, but they couldn't cancel Shabba from spreading the word, because Shabba is the most beloved Jamaican artist who's authentic, like a Bob Marley. Shabba Ranks is no silver dollar with the same sides to the coin. So every time you spin it, it's the same head. Shabba is authentic as authentic can be. Most authentic black man. So I wanted to listen to this interview that this happened in 1993, and you understand, and listen to what happened with Shabba Ranks, the great Shabba Ranks.
I'm out as Jamaican. I'll be on the supporting side where all Jamaicans be concerned or people with progress. But within this world, you know, people be living the way they feel like they want to live. And if you don't have a free will to move about, you got freedom of speech, freedom of opinion.
That he's got freedom of speech, but his freedom of speech is saying go and shoot gay people. Surely that's wrong.
Well, most definitely right now, from a forfeit the law of God Almighty, you deserve crucifixion. Most definitely. The Bible, I live by the concept of the Bible, which is the righteousness of every human being. And the Bible stated that man should multiply. The multiplication is done by a male and a female.
That's absolute crap, and you know it.
No,
you can't advocate people driving around shooting other people. Yeah. The Bible.
Yes, my loyal viewers and subscribers. So here Shabba Ranks, you know, giving his take what he believes, you know, when it comes down to the laws of God and the laws of nature. Why he was ostracized on that show in the MTV, you understand? But not only that, after Shabba Ranks had completed that interview, the man expressing himself, he was socialized and indoctrinated by the Europeans, just like all of us as black people that was brought here to the West. But guess what? How dare him to speak the truth as a black man? That him supposed to be, as a black man, is inferior to whatever the Europeans think. So after that, well, all hell broke loose. When we're talking about cancer culture, well, that was what happened to Shabba Ranks. So I wanted to listen to this in 1993. And
cause outrage across the world. In America, his appearance on NBC's prestigious Tonight Show was cancelled. He found himself dropped from a Bobby Brown tour, and in the UK the following year, he was forced to pull out of a festival after press reports that police were labelling him a troublemaker. In March 1993, Shabba Ranks released the following statement. In retrospect...
So listening to that report, you would think that Shabba Ranks is the world's most wanted man and the most hated man in the world, because Shabba Ranks had gassed millions of people in Europe and killed them. So Shabba Ranks become the most hated man. Even the police in Europe label Shabba Ranks as troublemaker. And Shabba Ranks never advocated for anyone to kill anyone. It's just words, you know. Shabba Ranks just doing his music about love and girls and all them things. This man never advocated for killing anyone. But yet still, he was the first artist that was cancelled. And guess what? None of the conservative people, none of them came to Shabba Ranks' defense. No, Mitch McConnell, none of them. Because what? Shabba Ranks is a black man. How dare a black man to speak truth? So he was crucified for that. And then the cancer culture came in. That's when it started, you know, 1993, cancer culture came in, and then they took away his contract, and guess what? They enforced what they normally do, you know, because black people, you know, we have been the only group of people from ever since. Black people have endured all kind of terrorism, physical, spiritual terrorism, financial terrorism, economic terrorism, and then they impose it on Shabba. but he survived by the will of by God's willing. God's protecting, and the people never leave him for them to devour him. You understand? And God bless Shabba. Shabba is a man of God. So moving on.
Yeah, so when I tell you about cancer culture, Shabba is the standard bearer or the epitome of cancer culture. Yeah, man, that happened 1993. Yeah, man, Shabba Ranks, first person in the world to be cancelled, a black man, was speaking the truth. So that's why them say the world in itself is going to hell. That's why we are in this problem right now where truth is lies and lies are truth. Yes, it started in the 1990s, and guess who? Are the same white people them, whether or not you want to believe it. They are the same one who control the YouTube algorithm. Anything we're positive to do with black people, them hold it down. Everything that's negative, they make it fly and go viral. Because anything for destroy black people, they are always on board. Because don't expect somebody will never like you from day one. When them just meet you, them still not gonna like you. Even when them give you the plastic smile, and them even train all them children from early, when them see as a black person, for give you the plastic smile, and then them portray you as the person who is the barbarian when you're not in the okay, me say a quarter, when you're not in the 1/10 of what they have done to this world. So the issue of cancer culture, as it is discussed today, wasn't a prominent part of public discourse in the early 1990s, particularly in context of American conservative politics. The concept has gained significant traction in recent years, often as a response to social media dynamics and heightened awareness of social justice issues. When Shabba Ranks at Rexton Garden faced backlash in 1993 for his comments about marriage between a man and a woman, the response came primarily from media outlets, MTV, and the music industry. At the time, the controversy surrounding his remarks led to significant consequences for his career, including being dropped from his record label and facing public criticism for speaking the truth. So you have to understand that, So that was 1993, 31 years ago. 31 years ago. And him, that was then, So imagine now. So that's why lies is become normalized in the world. 33 years ago, that happened, and nobody came to Shabba Ranks' rescue. Yeah, man, him label drop him. All of the white people, because white people control everything, So no matter because you think that you're free, them determine if this video even go viral or even 10 people watch it. Because them control it. You understand? Yes. So whether or not you want to believe it. So people feel like, you're the point now. And I saw it going them thing there is where them want others to see. And everything with them do, them control the algorithm and all of these things. So if they don't want you to up there, because promote and lick out against what they're for, yeah man, make certain say you, yeah man, them hold you, tie you, yeah, you could have strong like Samson, you fight, you still can't get to reach, the ultimate, you understand? So American conservatives of the early 1990s were more focused on other cultural and political issues, such as the debates over political correctness, family values, and culture wars that revolve around topics like abortion, crime, and education. So they never say marriage between a man and a woman as something that them should have take up. None of them never come out and defend Shabba. So I mean, I want to first drop the man and marriage between a man and a woman when the man say that. That's how the man grew up. I see white people impart that to Shabba and Shabba ancestors, but no, white people are telling now, say, oh, them are God, Adam and Eve, no, Adam and Eve, all them things they are relic man and man can have picnic, which is will never happen. And you understand? So that's how it go. And if you dare to say that because them are God on earth, them will kill you or them will use economic terrorism against you. So that's where we are in this world. Good people suffer at the hands of the wicked at all times. And you supposed to, if you can identify the wicked, then you're going to have a problem because they are there 31 years ago. You understand? So now when people say, boy, I can't believe I read it. Look, the world I got a long time. Them have been sending the world a hell. From 90, them are sending the world a hell a long time. You understand? So the specific term cancel culture and the organized widespread social media campaign we see today didn't exist in the same way back then. And if I did even know, Shabba would have still lose same way. Because you have to understand, say, this is what them are doing, The few people them, like the guy who won X, Elon Musk, that a Twitter. Elon Musk is just the same thing as them because them want to control your speech too. So I just saw it go. You caught between the devil and the deep blue sea. Nobody is what them approve. It's not the truth. And next people them with the Bible and them are start go to prison. So you have to understand, so when because them know I tell us them are gods on earth, from long time, because they want you to worship them. Remember say you remember the same white man in them gear when I grew up in a house and them thing there. Yeah, that white, the rear admiral guy. Yeah, so however, the phenomenon of public backlash and professional consequences for controversial statements as long as it exists, albeit under different labels and contexts. The reaction to Shabba Ranks' comments can be seen as an early example that would later be termed cancel culture, though it wasn't framed as such at the time. So the first person in the world to experience cancel culture is a black man. Yeah man, Shabba Ranks, nobody else. So we tell you, we are the most hated people in the world, but yet we are the most loving. Shabba Ranks is the first person in this world to experience cancel culture. So now you know. So when I tell about cancer this, cancer that, Shabba is the poster child for cancel culture. Yeah man, white America do it and the white world. Nobody come out to him defense and say, no man, you understand? So that goes to show you, say, the world I got hell a long time. But if you want to go hell with them, me rather forget, me no want to go hell with them. So me don't know, you have to just prepare for economic terrorism. The only thing you can tell yourself, say, if you stand for the truth, we know say people from our country, especially Jamaica, majority, well, when I say some of them are segment of the society, they are unconscionable and immoral liars. So say them depend on they trained a long time. For them see it reserve. Them can't change because so them see them are when them dead, them are gonna same place at hell with them people there. Me? No, me not that. Me I go speak the truth and continue to speak the truth. Have yourself a beautiful day. Jamaica Young Police Channel out.